Welcome to the fourth and final in this Blackboard Friday series, diving deeper on the business life cycle to give you a competitive advantage. Now, if you think it's been exhausting watching this series of videos, how would you feel living that business life cycle over 25 years or more? And indeed, very few businesses are actually successful enough to make it all the way to the sell-up phase. We've talked before about how half of all businesses that start fail at this speed bump. And the three most common points for businesses to fall over are the speed bump, hurdle, and brick wall in between startup, scale up, and the step up phase. Research from Dent Global, the key person of influence, demonstrated that only 6% of businesses actually make it as far as the sell up phase in their business life cycle. So if that's you, absolutely, as we shared for those businesses as well, congratulations and well done. Now, if you're watching this video because you're thinking about selling, then understand there are two great points in the business life cycle to sell a business. The first is back here in scale up. As you approach that euphoric pinnacle of achieving your initial vision, that's a great time to sell the business for the next person who can come in with their vision and take it to new heights. We call this the sell up phase because this is the second great place to sell your business, because at this point you will have created a business which is not dependent on you, which has both a life of its own but also controlled growth and planning as part of that life of its own. So this is another great point to sell a business to realize the value for those decades of work. Where do most businesses sell? Here. In that brick wall, feeling stuck, selling out of despair, which is absolutely where I don't want you to sell your business. So if you're stuck in that brick wall and thinking of getting out, come and have a conversation with my team about how we can implement those step-up priorities to get you into this sell-up phase where you're actually going to realize maximum value for your business. So what's the emotion of sell-up like? Well, that optimism is connected with a renewed vision, a renewed vigor for where you're going to take your operations. And that creates hope. Hope for you, hope for your team. That hope turns into pride. As you implement the last of the changes that get you out of that brick wall, you feel justifiably proud of everything that you've created. You are now in a very, very small minority of businesses who have managed to make it this far. And then the last feeling at this point is fulfillment. But it's fulfillment for now, for you have a choice coming up. Every justification for sitting there feeling proud, feeling fulfilled for the success that you have created. And understand there's a choice coming. So what are the three priorities for a business in sell-up? And of course, just because we call it sell-up doesn't mean that your decision has to be to sell the whole business or even sell part of the business. The first priority is asking yourself, your family, what's your number? If I was going to walk into your business today and offer to buy it from you, what would I have to offer for you to accept? Take some time, watch one of our very, very first Blackboard Fridays episodes about the wealth quadrant for business owners, and you may discover that your number is actually lower than you think it is. You've got an opportunity to create financial independence and move into that freedom quadrant right now. Understanding your number also helps you plan for the business growth ahead of you to get to that point where you can sell the business for what you need it. Point two is ensuring that your business is succession ready. Whether that's family succession, whether that's a partial sale, a management buyout, a full sale, full exit, whatever it is that you feel is that succession plan for you, is your business ready for you to step back or step out of the business? There's a lot of different elements that you need to look at to make sure that not only is the business ready, but that you are succession ready, that you, if you're stepping out of the business, are stepping into something else and not creating that meddling impact that I see with a lot of business owners who want to get out but behave as if they don't. And then the third and final strategic priority for a business in the sell-up phase is answering that choice question. Leverage or legacy? Am I going to sell this business, to exit this business, to leave a legacy for my industry? Or am I game to go around again? Am I game to go, you know what, I've created a new vision, I've created a new opportunity, I've shaken off the last of that brick wall and I'm ready to leverage the heck out of this opportunity. Fulfillment, gone in the rearview mirror. I want new challenges, new choices, and I'm so motivated by that I'm willing to take my business through the life cycle once again, but at a much higher level to create the next great opportunity for me and my life. And if that's you, fantastic. Congratulations on having made it through the business life cycle that 94% of businesses don't make it through. And best of luck for tackling it again with all of that new enthusiasm and the expertise that you've built going through it once to help create the opportunity and give you the success to do it all again. I look forward to hearing your story at some point in the future. For everyone else, there are your priorities. Good luck, and thank you for enjoying the Business Lifecycle series.